everybody, this is Hammy, your teacher for today. I'm going to teach you a basic English for daily life. For example, if someone comes to you and asks for the direction, just go ahead. In your mind, you will have a lot of thought, right? Just, speak with the flow, not think too much. And this is not your language, not your mother languages. So please be brave and be cool no matter what it is. No matter you speak wrong or right, just say it. It depends on you. You got a chance to speak, but if you don't speak, how are you going to speak like fluently, right? So see you next clip video, and thank you for watching all the clips that I have done before. Thank you.